Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night or whatever time is it. In this video, yes, I'm not wearing any makeup, just my brows, and the reason for that is because we're gonna try new makeup sponges. And I apologize for the noise in the background. That's my AC that's just blowing so hard because it is hot today. So if you guys see me turn red or sweaty or anything, I mean, this is my bare face. What else can I do? I am a fan of Naked Tutorials. She did this video talking about these new sponges that were made out of fiber. I don't know about you all, but I really love to look for new sponges that are very affordable and they're very good. I have this thing where I see a sponge and they are very soft. I buy it just to try them, and some have failed and some have been good. I went on the website, and the website's called Juno&Co, and they do have a lot of like very affordable stuff, not just sponges, but like makeup brushes and like makeup brands that are very affordable. So I went ahead and I saw the microfiber velvet sponges, and they were $6. I mean, that is very affordable, almost or around the same price as the Real Techniques and way cheaper than the beauty blender. So I went ahead and I purchased me some of those sponges to try them, and today I'm gonna go ahead and try them. So this brand, if you purchase anything on their website, they do have right now the free shipping with the code SHIPFREE, and it is only for the US. And they also have, like, if you purchase, I think, more than $20, or it is free shipping. They are based from San Francisco, so of course I purchased it, and it did arrive very quick. It arrived like around, I purchased it like on a Thursday, and it arrived like on a Tuesday or Wednesday. So here is the bag. Here's the bag that I got it in. So here are the sponges, and they are called the microfiber velvet sponges. And as you can see, they all come individually in their own packet. Like I said, if you guys take a look on the website, they do have bundles, and they bundles for like $20, or I don't know, because there's more sponges, so they do have bundles for the other sponges. It just depends what you're looking for or which one do you like. But here are the 4 that I got, and it says, if you're looking for a more natural airbrush foundation finish, the Juno microfiber velvet sponge is your go-to. Made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlled stippling, the Juno microfiber velvet sponge provides buildable coverage fast, and it has antimicrobial microfiber. It is designed and developed by Juno&Co in USA, made in China. So yes, and this is latex free and cruelty free, as you guys can see. Let me go ahead and open one, and I have not opened this at all, and I have not tried them. That's why I'm doing this video today. Ooh, they are very soft. Like, I don't know if the camera can get it, but it's like very fuzzy. It feels like a fuzzy teddy bear. I don't know if the camera is like capturing it, but that's how it looks. I purchased 4 because I usually always have a sponge for wet to apply my foundation, and also a dry one to apply like powder or to bake. So that's why I purchased 4 of them. And of course, because I always have the bad luck of always losing one, so I have backup in case. So it comes with this little paper thing, and it just tells you how to use to apply liquid foundation, concealer, and loose powders, how to use it dry or wet. Okay, so let me go ahead and wet the sponge, and I'll be back so we can start applying foundation on this terrible face. So now that it's wet, let's go ahead and start priming this face. And today I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Primer. Okay, so now that I already primed my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation. And today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation. I'm going to go ahead and apply 8 times a little bit of foundation in the back of my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if I should do it like this or like this. I'm just going to do it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some and just apply it. And one thing I wanted to say, when I was running it through water, the sponge did get more soft and, like, as you can see, more big. So it is soft. It's not very hard. Like, I know I have bought some foundations that, like, I know I have purchased some sponges that even though you run it through water, they're still, like, so stiff. Like, they hurt your face when you are trying to apply foundation. So I just eventually I throw them, or I actually like to use those especially for, like, powder. So I'm just gonna do half my face so you guys can see. Okay, so far I'm really enjoying how this applies. Like I was telling you guys, it is very soft, but also it is not like taking away any foundation whatsoever. Like, it is applying it very smooth. So I am done applying on this side, and you guys can definitely see the difference between this side and this side. And I just love how smooth the foundation looks. Like, it does look airbrushed. Like, can you guys tell the difference between this side and this side? Like, let me zoom you guys close. I'm sorry, yeah. But I mean, this one doesn't have no foundation yet. This one does. So I'm gonna apply the other side of my face, and I'll be right back so we can put concealer and powder. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York concealer, Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 10 Light. And I'm gonna be using the same sponge, the one I applied my foundation with, but I'm gonna be using this side. I always love using a wet wet sponge to apply my concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a tiny bit. I really don't need that much concealer, and we're just gonna go for like a natural look today, or so I say. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and let's see. And yeah, like you guys see, like, don't swipe. I believe you don't, like, swiping is not good with any sponge because you're just moving the makeup. So I'm just going like this, and I'm in love. Now we're gonna open another one, and I'm gonna be using this one dry just to set my concealer. For powder, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder. It just smells like peach. Again, I'm gonna be using this side of the sponge, and it is dry, so I'm just gonna so I am using it dry, and as you can see, it does really, like, it just makes it look so airbrushed. Like, I haven't even passed a brush, and I look like a hot mess right now, but like, this is real. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I'm gonna let this bake for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup and finish doing the face, and I'll be right back. I am back, and my makeup is already done. You know how I said that we were gonna go natural? Well, I lied. It feels very lightweight. I don't know, it just feels like airbrush. Definitely airbrush. Just love how my face looks, and for that price, for $6, it's just wonderful. To review the sponges, they are amazing. I really love them. I'm glad I got the bundle because I definitely need more backup. So should you guys give this sponge a try? Definitely yes. I mean, it's just $6. You guys can purchase an individual one just to go ahead and just try one. You can use one for wet and a dry application. I'll leave the link for them down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up or leave a comment down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.